welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Makaya. If you're not new to my channel, hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a cook with me, y'all. Like, I got my voice back a little bit, but today we're gonna be doing a cook with me. I'm cooking broccoli, chicken, and shrimp Alfredo. And right now the water is boiling. I washed the chicken and I got the fat off of it. So you can show. It's in like a little bowl, y'all. It's in a bowl. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to season it. Once I season the chicken, then I'm gonna put it in the pan so I can cook. This shrimp got tails on it, so we gotta peel it off and cook the broccoli. When I cook broccoli, chicken, and shrimp Alfredo, I always cook it separately and then put it all together so everything can have its own flavor. I don't just mix it all together. No, it need to all have its own flavor. So yeah, I ain't about to have no long intro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tune into my channel. And I'm gonna just cook this food. Yeah. If you got a girl and she ain't cooking for you, leave her alone. Y'all, I don't know if y'all heat your sauce up, but I heat my sauce up. So she opening the cans and we finna put them on the pot so they can heat up.
Fuck it up, 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 rake it up, rake it up, rake it up. I made love to a stripper. First I had to tip her 20,000 once. She said I'm that nigga. I said I'm that nigga, bitch. I already know.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.